Hi, I'm Tadhg Gavin. I'm a veterinary surgeon in Killaloe, County Clare. It's a mixed practice I work in. We cover all along the River Shannon. Good mix of cattle, beef and dairy, and some sheep enterprises as well, so very mixed practice. Two biggest things that we see in your calves is scour and respiratory disease. They'll be our two biggest problems that we're dealing with on a regular basis. And a lot of that as well comes down to nutrition, be it underfeeding and just poor nutrition in calves, predisposing them to scours and respiratory disease. Prior to precision microbes, there was a lot of different products available on the market that we would have seen people would have tried them ourselves with hit and miss results. Our mainstay of treatment was staying the same, but I suppose in the changing legislation and the changing kind of ethical perspective of reducing antibiotics, we were looking for something different. Precision microbes definitely has created that space where we've been using it. Farms with multifactorial scour problems, it doesn't really matter what's behind it, it is making a difference. On the farms we're using it, we've definitely seen a reduction in the use of antibiotics, be it oral antibiotics in the treatment of scours, or even calves with respiratory disease in these farms is reduced as well. Not really having data, but I would say, growth rates on calves has improved as well, where people are using it more on a long-term basis. But it's become, I suppose what I'd say is every calf with a scour that we treat clinically receives precision microbes, and it does work. And it's allowed us to use a lot less antibiotics on those animals without affecting our cure rates. And I suppose that the priority for our clients is that their calves get better, that they don't relapse, and I suppose the priority for us is that we're being ethical and reducing the amount of antibiotics we're using, and that's working. I'd definitely be happy to recommend precision microbes. It's definitely a very good product, and I'm very happy with how it's gone so far.